Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So a little bit of update here for rivers, ponds, and campfires. We just want to give everyone a little bit of a quick behind the scenes glimpse of what's going on. So I've got a little bit of a mixed bag of news for you today, but I just want you to reassure people that the adventures, they will continue. First, the good news, a massive shout out to Ron Simon, the lucky winner of the One Wind Poncho Shelter. So I'm going to be reaching out to Ron shortly and getting that prize shipped out to him. So thanks to everybody who participated in the giveaway. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe and watch future videos and see if you can get involved and get a chance to win any other future giveaways that we have. Now for the bad news, a little bit of a summer bummer for sure. So I recently had a little bit of an unfortunate bike accident and ended up with a broken bone in both my left and right elbows. Just kind of a fluky thing where something happened to my front tire and it locked up, and not going to go into the details, but I went head over heels and basically just took the impact on my forearms and my elbows. So anyway, I got one in a cast and the other is in a sling. So as you can imagine, it's going to set me back a couple of months before I can get back out there and share some new outdoor adventures with you. So it's going to take some time for my elbows to heal up, and there's going to be a little bit of physiotherapy in that ahead as well. Definitely not what I thought I had in store, especially after going through the ankle injury last year. Anyway, that's life, eh? So I'm definitely disappointed about the delay, but I'm also hopeful and focusing on recovery. And rivers, ponds, and campfires, it's definitely a passionate hobby of mine, and this is just a temporary detour. I'm already looking forward to getting back out there in the woods, back out there on the trail, back out there doing some outdoor activities as soon as I can. So in the meantime, I hope everybody takes care. Have a great summer and fall. Thanks for your understanding and continued support, and stay tuned. And I'll see you back here on Rivers, Ponds, and Campfires as soon as I'm able to. Take care, everybody.